In this video, I will show you step by step how to replace the ignition coils in your Kia Sportage. Safety is crucial when working with your car's electrical system, therefore start by disconnecting the negative terminal of your battery to prevent any accidental short circuits. Next, locate the ignition coils. They are located on top of the engine, attached directly to the spark plugs. But first, you will have to remove the engine cover. The cover is secured with rubber grommets, which are simply pushed into place over mounting points. To remove the cover, all you need to do is grab it firmly on one side and gently pull upwards. You may hear a slight popping sound as the rubber grommets release from their mounting points. Then pull up the other side. Be careful not to yank it too hard to avoid damaging the grommets or other components. With the cover out of the way, you can see 4 ignition coils on top of the engine, since this is a 4-cylinder engine. To remove the ignition coils, start by unplugging the electrical connector. First, pull out the gray locking pin. Then press down on the black clip and pull out the connector. Then use a 10mm socket to remove the bolt securing the coil. Once the bolt is removed, gently pull the coil straight out. While removing the coil, check the bottom for oil residue. Oil on the coil or inside the spark plug well indicate a leaky valve cover gasket, which will need to be addressed to prevent future issues. Now take the new ignition coil and insert it into the same position. Ensure it's seated properly over the spark plug. Secure the coil by tightening the bolt and use a torque wrench to tighten it to the correct specification, between 9.8 and 11.8 Nm or 7.2 to 8.7 pound-feet of torque. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place. Then push the locking pin back into the connector. Repeat these steps to replace the other ignition coils. Once all the coils are installed, reattach the engine cover. Simply line up the rubber grommets with the mounting points on the engine. Press down gently but firmly until you hear or feel the cover snap back into place. Finally, reconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Start your engine to ensure everything is running smoothly. If the misfire or rough idle issue is resolved, your job is complete. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WeJoin for more DIY car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.